What is up, YouTube? We is finally back with another POV drive. I don't got my the wind thing on my mic right now, but we is back with another POV drive. It's a little rainy, a little cloudy, a little sunset. It's just a little mix of everything. But yeah, bro, I just gotta catch y'all up. I'm back. I'm about to be posting again. I'm locked in on my content. So I got my headlights. My headlights is on the way. So we gonna get the headlights installed whenever they come. And then right now I'm trying to get my front bumper, but it's sold out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna try to get that front bumper. I need that, bro. I need that. Gonna change the whole look of the car, everything. So stay tuned. I ain't gonna talk too much. The rims gonna be done next week. I'm gonna have them put on and everything. So by the time y'all see it, maybe like the next 2 videos, I will have my wheels on, and then probably, I don't know, whenever they ship my headlights, I'll put them in. So yeah, I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the POV, and yeah. Oh yeah, y'all, I fixed my car. Like, I did an oil change, changed fuel injectors, spark plug change, ignition coil change. Yeah, just caught up on all my maintenance. Somehow it seemed to fix the problem. Car feels way better. Like, I have my power like instantly now, bro. Before it was just, I don't know, man. It would be like a little hesitation, or it would be like a delay every time I hit the accelerator. So feels so good, man. I tell you, man. Sheesh. Y'all, these headlights are about to look mad aggressive. I'm telling you, bro. It's about to change the look of the car. I don't know. These shots about to be sweet. Killed a lightning bug, bro. RIP, man. Oh my god, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that lightning strike, bro? It hit a tree. I'm about to take myself home, bro. I don't even know if y'all saw that, bro. this too much. I don't know how good y'all can see. Like right now it's like still daytime, bro. Like not daytime, if that makes sense, bro. It's like it's 8:53, but sun just went down. Like it's currently going down. So like my point of view, like it's all right, this is dark, gang. Now this is dark, but other than that, I don't know, bro. My tent be making my camera look mad dark. I don't know why. Look OD dark. Lie, it looks mad sketch out here. It looks so sketchy. Like the clouds look sketchy. Just everything, bro. Look like a tornado about to hit. I need to turn around. Not gonna lie. My car sounds stock. I do have like I still have I put my tune back on, but like I put my tune at a low settings because of what I was on before. I didn't know what was happening with my car, but I put it on a lower setting. So right now I'm chilling right now off of off the like burbles and stuff. Next video I have the burbles back on, but they're not gonna be like OD loud pops and stuff, because apparently it messes with your turbos and I don't want to find out right now. But if something does happen to my turbos, I'm gonna just throw a big turbo on it. Honestly, might as well, bro. If I'm about to do any labor to a turbo, I'm gonna just put a new one in. Had the fastest 320i ever. Yo, y'all can't tell me that his headlights weren't on bright. Like, what? If that's not bright, what was it? Ooh. Right now, I'm my car's relearning the throttle adaptation, so like it's doing its own thing. But this was just me taking it on a test drive after everything happened and stuff. So I'm just cruising right now. Once I get like the car back, you know, they gotta relearn everything. Like transmission was reset, like everything was reset, fuel trims, everything. So right now we working our way back up. Yo, what was that? Yo, it looked like he went blackout. Yo, after I did my oil change, y'all won't believe, bro, how many quarts of oil I had left in it, bro. Man, I think my car was just like burnt. Like, I think I might have had an oil leak or something. I think I probably still did then. But I had 4 quarts of oil in my car when I changed the oil, bro. That's terrible. My car takes 6.5. So if I have an oil leak, I'm hoping I catch it before anything happens. But if anybody knows down below, like if anybody like know of what interval I should be changing my my oil at, I don't know if it's 3K or 3.5K, how often I should be doing it, but I'm at 120K miles. So just like if anybody knows, just drop that down below. Something, you know, I don't really know what interval I should be changing my oil at. So I'm thinking I'll just go 3,000 miles every 2,000, but I don't want to wait too long till like oil burns out quick. I am on stage 2, so I don't want oil to be burning out faster than it should be, or I'm waiting too long in between. My car feels amazing, bro. It feels so good. I brought the life back to this BMW. We finna get new tires, bro. When I tell you, my last video I showed y'all the fitment, I was able to put 2 fingers on the to the tire and the fender. Now I'm only able to put 1 with the new tires. Bro, this y'all finna look, it's finna look so clean, bro. I'm telling you. It's finna look so sweet. dark it looks. It looks OD. Like the sky is about to fall, bro. Sheesh. Hey, listen. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm thankful for all my new subscribers, bro. I'm about to hit 700 subscribers. Hey, man. Hit that like button, comment. We out. Peace.